Hey everyone, welcome back to the Awesome Lindsay channel. This is the Godox R1 RGB LED light. This is a very small portable light. It's 3 inches in diameter, it's 1 inch thick, weighs about 150 grams, which is the equivalent of about 3 AA batteries. So it's very small and very portable. This thing also uses one of my favorite things, and that's magnets. So along the front edge, there's a series of magnets, which you can use to attach a bunch of Godox accessories. They have the AK-R1 kit. You can use that thing with this light, and it does come with a frosted diffuser dome, which just attaches right on the front. On the back, there's magnets as well. So you can attach this to like a fridge or something metal, something magnetized. And it does come with a couple of Velcro patches that stick on. So if you want to attach this onto something that's not magnetized, you can do that as well. The cool thing about this is with magnets being so readily available, it's going to be really cool to see what kind of DIY accessories people come up with. Okay, let's take a look at the light itself. So on the bottom, there's a 1/4-20 thread mount. Up from there is the USB-C charging port, and then near that is the microphone. There's a switchable on and off switch, and I like that this is a switch and not a button. Means that it's much less likely to get turned on and off by accident. There's a mode button which allows you to switch between the 3 main modes. There's a pressable jog wheel which will allow you to change settings within each mode. There's an LED screen and a dedicated brightness dimmer wheel. So the LED screen displays quite a bit of information on an LED screen of this size. There's the battery level, there's the brightness, the mode, and the parameters, and there's even enough pixels to give the scene modes little icons. So the light settings can be broken down into basically 3 modes. There's CCT mode, HSL mode, and scene mode. In CCT mode, you can adjust the color temperature. You can go from 25K all the way up to 85K, and you can do that in 100K increments. There's HSL mode, which allows you to select a color from 0 to 360 degrees in 1 degree increments. And then scene mode, which has about 14 scenes. And then each of these scenes has about 3 variations, and that gives you about 39 scenes in total. And this is where the icons come in handy because it gives you kind of an idea of what the light is trying to emulate. One of the unique features of this light is the music mode or the sound mode, which gives this light the ability to react to sound, which is the reason for the microphone near the USB charging port. All right, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you guys found this entertaining or useful. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks everyone for watching.